Did you know you can use the power of Blender to be able to control your AI image generations? Launch this pre-made Blender file, click the play icon at the top, and choose one of the 14 scenes. Edit your text, then move and resize it and press the Send to AI button. Now type a prompt, let's try broccoli. Finally hit the Generate AI Image button. Wait a short moment. And like magic, the scene is now broccoli. Now let's try typing cute robots. Awesome. What about candy canes? Yep, perfect. Now let's try moving one of the objects. And there it is, moved in our scene just like we want. Choose any of the pre-made scenes such as Basic 1, Basic 2, Hearts, Stars, Music, Coffee, Fitness, Cogs and Gears, Tools, Halloween, Christmas, Easter, Diwali or Hanukkah, and choose any surround such as rounded, square, curved, or pillars. This powerful Blender file gives you full control over your AI-generated images, allowing you to craft stunning 3D scenes with precision and creativity. Explore our comprehensive setup guide, where you'll learn how to adjust camera angles, import your own 3D models, and unlock endless creative possibilities.
Give me shine, give me any